just completed a very interesting session with a good number of students talking about politics, the House of Lords in particular, but some more general questions about politics in Britain today. One of the things I always try to get across, whether it's a school visit or wherever, is that politics is for everybody. You do have to engage with it and people to understand it. And I think it's incredibly important that young people, from an early age, engage with politics.
These sessions are really inspiring and helpful because it educates people about politics and Parliament, politics plays a role in our life day to day, every second, every minute.
Yeah, sometimes people they have strong opinions about certain individuals, but they never met them, or they don't understand how government works itself. So it's good to actually be educated on that, know how the system works, so you can make actual informed opinions.
Today we just had a politics exam on the House of Lords, and the fact that he came and talked to us about it really and as a politics student, I think it was kind of a bit of revision as well. Getting that talk from someone who experienced it by first person, House of Lords and the House of Commons, I think really helped us.
Things like this I think really enhances democracy, and it's very motivational. Some people came here thinking this is going to be another boring session, but it's changed their lives. So yeah.
It's really fantastic to see students so engaged and so passionate about politics, and that really makes you as a teacher kind of understand why you do your job and why you're here trying to make a difference. I think the politics students really were able to kind of bring politics to life, which is quite kind of unique. We learn from politics from textbooks and obviously in the classroom, but to really kind of see it and hear these kind of anecdotes and stories in person has been really, really interesting for them.
It was a much better experience overall, so it just opens kids' minds and really gives them a goal and opportunity for kids young to grow up and follow something in the future.
The demographic that we're in currently is quite, politics is regarded as something quite negative. Meeting Lord Randall today showed us that it's not really like that. There's humanity in us.
It encouraged me to pursue a career in politics as well. It was quite informative, and having a real insight was, I would say, really captivating.
I think it's great that I've been given this opportunity. It's only the second time I've done it. I've enjoyed it immensely. It's a great experience.